out there, you can live without a care, but the galaxy for me is right here making history, you know it? There ain't no denying it, you know it? There ain't no lying it. Gemgen is the place to be. Come on people, stand here with me. If you're not a reject, stand erect, be the best, let 'em rest. Screaming to be here just to be a guest, you know it? There ain't no denying it, you know it? There ain't no lying it. Gemgen is the place to be. Right here with Lucy making history, you know it? There ain't no denying it, you know it? There ain't no lying it.
First, I'm like, hey, we get it set up how you own talks.
You just do all the
and
talk.
she just do no.
How about you do all the talking?
I'm telling you, we
But
just
this is Mac Mirage, Memphis, Tennessee, you know, something like that. And Lyric.
I'm from Dallas. Don't you ever say I'm from Tampa.
Dallas. You ain't damn.
I rep it. Okay, I'm from Dallas, but I rep the Bay.
All right, see, that's all you got to say. Just everybody get your own stuff.
Go ahead on.
All right.
Okay. Mac Mirage out of Memphis, Tennessee.
Lyric, the vocalist. From Dallas, repping Tampa Bay.
All right, King Cyrus, Orlando, baby.
Showing love to Miss Lucy Lou Diamond.
Yes. Gemgen Radio, baby.
All day.
Gemgen Radio, intuitive life.
Thank God I mean it.
And I'm the last dragon.
Princess Lucy of the Luniverse. No, I'm just playing.
Ah, the Luniverse.
That's what you told me.
What?